Hi students, today we'll discuss about conditional probability. Here conditional probability means, now let us say A and B are any two events from sample space S in random experiment. Now the happening of B after happening of A is called conditional event. For example, joining IIT after completion of intermediate. Here joining IIT is event B. Completion of intermediate is event A. That means happening of B after happening of A is called conditional probability of B. And it is denoted by P of B by A. That means P of B by A is equal to P of B intersection A by P of A. That is nothing but N of A intersection B by N of A. And this is formula for probability of B by A. Now let us see happening of A after happening of B. And this is vice versa of happening of B after happening of A. And this symbolic form is P of A by B. Here P of A by B is equal to P of A intersection B by P of B. That is equal to N of A intersection B by N of B. Conditional probability of A by B. Now by using these two formulae, by cross multiplication we get P of B intersection A is equal to P of A into P of B by A. P of A into P of B by A. Similarly, here also P of B into P of A by B. And this is nothing but P of A intersection B. Here P of A intersection B is called multiplication theorem on probability. Now next topic is independent events. In the previous topic, conditional probability, those two events A and B are dependent events. That means A depends on B and B depends on A. Here independent events means, that means A and B are independent to each other. That means P of B by A, their conditional probability happening of B after happening of A. Here happening of B does not depends on A. So that we can say that P of B by A is equal to P of B only. It does not depends on A. Similarly, P of A by B, that means happening of A after happening of B. In independent events, happening of A, it does not depends on happening of B. So that we can say that P of A by B is equal to P of A. It does not depends on B. So in independent events, what is the formula? P of B by A is equal to P of B and P of A by B is equal to P of A. Now, by using multiplication theorem on probability, P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. If P of A intersection B intersection C is equal to P of A into P of B into P of C, that means the multiplication conversion from intersection. It will continues up to n events. And similarly, A bar and B also independent events. That means P of A bar intersection B is equal to P of A bar into P of B. Similarly, A and B bar also independent events. That means P of A intersection B bar is equal to P of A into P of B bar. And finally, A bar and B bar also independent events. That means P of A bar intersection B bar is equal to P of A bar into P of B bar. So this is about independent events.